Hello, welcome to the February edition of the Pass Connector. My name is Grant Fritchey. I'm excited. It's Monday morning. The Pats just won the Super Bowl and everything's great. Now this year, the Pass Summit is going to be held November 5th to 8th in Seattle, Washington, and registration has been opened. You can look forward to interactive training, the latest technology, all kinds of hot topics like security, cloud, AI, all led by the best people on the Microsoft data platform out there. You're not going to want to miss this event. Now, the pre-conference call for entrance is also open. So if you've got a full day seminar of training you want to put together for 2019, this is the time to try that out. It's going to be tough competition, hard to get in there. A lot of people are going to be going for it, but you've got a chance. So if you've got something you want to share with people, get it together and get it out there. Now, I'm thrilled to announce we've got a partnership with Dell EMC as a global alliance program partner. Pass and Dell EMC have a long history of collaboration, including Dell's sponsor of Pass Summit, and we look forward to growing this sponsorship around the world. In this month's Pass Community Spotlight, a lot of community members are talking about insights on their data careers, reflecting on lessons learned, potential opportunities, and all kinds of other fun stuff. Make sure you check that out. And I encourage you to make sure you're looking for some of the changes coming out in pass.org. We're going to be doing a bunch of new stuff, and we'll remind you of your deadline to apply for the Pass Summit 2019 Program Committee this Friday on February 8th. So get in those applications. I've taken part in the Program Committee, and it was a lot of fun, very educational, and I've did it twice way before I was on the board. And it really is a useful thing that you can do to help set the program for Pass Summit and, frankly, help set some of the program for the year-round learning that we put on. Now, last but not least, I do need to share that the very first Pass Marathon Spanish edition is going to take place February 12th at 1700 UTC. That's 5 p.m. Universal Time, okay? So make sure you're up for that. That's it. Welcome to the Connector for February. Have a good day. My name is Grant Fritchey. I'm the Pass President.